Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare GoDaddy and Shopify. Both of these platforms help you build and run an online store, but they take very different approaches and cater to different types of users. In this video, I'll provide an overview of each platform and compare them across 5 key areas: customization, integrations, SEO, scalability, and e-commerce features. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform might be the right choice for your business. So let's get started. First, let's talk about GoDaddy. You might know GoDaddy as one of the biggest domain registrars out there, but they've also added tools like a website builder and e-commerce platform to their service. The cool thing about GoDaddy is how easy it makes getting online. It's perfect for small business owners, freelancers, or entrepreneurs who don't have a lot of tech experience. They offer professionally designed templates and a super simple step-by-step process to help you set up a website or online store in just a few minutes. Plus, it has all the basics you need for e-commerce, like product listings, a secure shopping cart, and payment options. GoDaddy even has tools for marketing, SEO, and social media, so you can grow your online presence without too much effort. Now, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is one of the top e-commerce platforms out there, and it's built for businesses of all sizes. Shopify's strength is in its flexibility and features. It has a drag-and-drop website builder and hundreds of customizable themes, so you can really make your site look how you want. There's also a huge selection of apps and integrations to add extra features as your business grows. Shopify stands out when it comes to things like managing inventory, selling on multiple channels like social media or marketplaces, and tracking detailed analytics. It also handles orders, payment, shipping, and customer management, making it great for businesses that want to grow fast. And because Shopify is built to handle high traffic and complex setups, it's super reliable. Now, let's compare both platforms in 5 key areas. First off, we have customization and flexibility. GoDaddy's website builder is super easy to use. You can pick from ready-made templates and customize them with your own text, images, and branding. This is great for small business owners who want a professional-looking website without spending too much time on design. But here's the thing, it's a bit limited if you're looking for advanced design options. You're mostly stuck with the layouts and design choices they provide, which can feel restrictive if you're aiming for something truly unique. That said, if you just need something quick and simple, GoDaddy does the job well and gives you all the basic tools to build a good-looking, functional site. On the other hand, Shopify is all about flexibility and customization. It offers tons of themes, both free and paid, that you can tweak however you like. The drag-and-drop editor is super intuitive, and if you know a bit of coding, you can go even further and customize things to match your exact vision. This means you can create a website that not only looks unique, but also fits your business perfectly. Plus, Shopify makes it easy to add extra features using apps from their app store. No matter if you need help with marketing, inventory, or customer service, you can find tools to make your site more powerful. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Next up, we have integrations and ecosystems. GoDaddy is an all-in-one solution that combines domain registration, hosting, and website building. It offers basic integrations with popular marketing and e-commerce tools, so it's easy to set up and manage. However, its ecosystem is a bit limited compared to platforms designed specifically for e-commerce. This means that while GoDaddy works well for small businesses and covers the basics, as your business grows, you might need to look for extra tools outside of what GoDaddy provides. On the other hand, Shopify is known for its huge ecosystem and powerful integrations. Its app store has thousands of apps that can add just about any feature you might need for your online store, like advanced analytics, email marketing, inventory management, or customer service tools. Plus, Shopify makes it easy to sell on multiple channels, like Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and Instagram. This helps you reach more customers and manage everything from one place. Another key feature is SEO and marketing. GoDaddy gives you basic tools to help you improve your website's visibility in search engines. You can customize things like meta tags, alt text, and URLs, which are very important for SEO. It also has simple marketing tools like integrating your site to social media and setting up email campaigns. Those tools are beginner friendly and work well for small businesses that don't need anything too complex. However, if you're aiming for advanced SEO or more complicated marketing strategies, GoDaddy might feel a bit limited. Shopify, on the other hand, offers much more in this area. It's built with clean, SEO-friendly code, so your site loads fast and works great on mobile. Both super important for ranking higher in search results. Shopify lets you fine-tune nearly every SEO setting, like meta descriptions, alt tags, and structured data. Plus, its marketing tools go beyond the basics. You can share on social media, automate email campaigns, and even run targeted ads using apps from its marketplace. Shopify also gives you detailed analytics to track how well your marketing efforts are working. Furthermore, we have scalability and growth potential, which are super important if you're thinking long term. GoDaddy is an all-in-one platform that works really well for small businesses and startups. It's simple, easy to use, and great if you need to get online quickly without spending too much time or money. However, while it's a solid choice for businesses just starting out, it might not be the best option if you're planning to grow fast. GoDaddy has the basics for selling online, but as your business grows and things get more complicated, you might need tools and features that GoDaddy doesn't offer. That being said, for many small businesses, GoDaddy's straightforward setup and built-in services are enough to support steady, step-by-step growth. Now, let's look at Shopify. Shopify is built for businesses that want to scale and grow big. It's great for handling high traffic and large inventories, which makes it a favorite for businesses planning rapid expansion. Shopify has everything you need to grow without slowing down, like advanced inventory tools and the ability to sell on multiple channels. Plus, it has a massive app store where you can add features as your business evolves. Its analytics and reporting tools are also really helpful, giving you insights to improve and grow smarter. With all these advanced features and customization options, Shopify is perfect for businesses that are serious about long-term growth and need a platform that can keep up with their goals. Finally, let's discuss e-commerce features and payment options for GoDaddy and Shopify, because these are key to running a successful online store. GoDaddy's website builder covers all the basics you need to create a solid online store. It comes with a secure shopping cart, tools to manage your products, and built-in payment processing that works with different payment gateways. Setting up product pages, keeping track of inventory, and processing orders is simple and quick. GoDaddy also includes basic SEO tools and marketing integrations to help you bring in customers. However, GoDaddy is best for small businesses or individuals who need a straightforward solution. It's reliable, but doesn't offer much in terms of advanced features or customization for growth. On the other hand, Shopify is known for being one of the best platforms for online stores. It offers way more advanced tools for managing products, selling across multiple channels, and handling order fulfillment. Its shopping cart is super secure and works with many payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. Plus, Shopify supports multiple currencies and international shipping, so it's great if you want to sell globally. You also get features like advanced inventory management, customizable product pages, and marketing tools to run promotions, create discount codes, and streamline the checkout process. Shopify's analytics give you detailed insights into your sales and customer behavior, so you can keep improving your strategy. Overall, Shopify is perfect for businesses that want a professional, scalable online store with lots of flexibility. So, which platform should you go with? Well, it really comes down to what your business needs, how much you want to grow, and whether you prefer simplicity or advanced features. If you're running a small business or startup and need a simple, budget-friendly way to get online fast, GoDaddy could be the way to go. It's super easy to use, has built-in tools, and gives you everything you need in one place to set up a professional website without much hassle. But if you're aiming for big growth, need advanced e-commerce features, or want a platform that can grow with your business, Shopify might be the better choice. It's got tons of customization options, tools for selling on multiple channels, and powerful analytics to help you scale up. Plus, its ecosystem and marketing tools are great for supporting businesses at every stage. In the end, it's all about what works for you, your goals, your budget, and how much functionality you need to build and grow your online store. That's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between GoDaddy and Shopify and given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your online business. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.